Your iPhone has a built-in feature that allows you to scan documents easily and export them in JPEG or PDF format. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to scan documents on your iPhone. To scan documents on your iPhone, first head to App Library and search Files. Files. Now tap on it to open. Now head to the three dot icon at the top right of the screen and then select Scan Documents. Now put your iPhone over the documents that you want to scan. And it will automatically scan. And now to save these documents, we'll tap on Save. Now just give your document a name, for example, iPhone Doc 1. Tap on Done, and as you can see, your scanned documents are saved on your iPhone. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.